Hello viewers. Today's video is based on advanced session of Google Form. Friends, if you are planning to conduct any online exam, quiz, faculty development program, webinar, online workshop or any kind of online event and wants to collect responses along with all the necessary details of users, then Google Form is the best way. So in this video, we will learn how to create quiz or questionnaire using Google Form. If anyone is having doubt with the creation of Google Form, then kindly refer my previous video. Link is provided in the description box. Okay, so let's talk about the current scenario. As we all are under lockdown, so nowadays online classes are going on and online test will be conducted on the basis of the class. Or if you're attending any kind of workshop, webinar, seminar, faculty development program, then what happens? The organizer will provide you the study material and on the basis of that material, test will be conducted and certificate will be provided. Okay, so let's take an example that today we are going to organize a 2 days online workshop. Okay, as an organizer, initially we have to make a schedule of our 2 days session. Like day 1 covering some topic and day 2 will cover other topics. Okay, and on the basis of this, test will be conducted on the last day of workshop by responding a mail sent to respective registered candidate. Okay, so this is all about the schedule of the workshop. Now, organizer will also provide the study material covering all the topics of workshop, which is in the form of PPT, PDF, link, video, anything. Okay, so I have provided here PPT of study material for your reference. Like these are the topics covering day 1 and these are the topics covering day 2. Okay, so this is all about the study material. Now let's create the Google Form quiz on the basis of this study material. Okay, so for creating the quiz, just open the browser and write forms.google.com and click enter. You can see this sample template library. Now click on blank quiz. A blank quiz format or template of form will open. Now we can start making form according to a need. So we'll create the form in 3 sections. First section will cover all the necessary detail of participant. Second section will cover the quiz and third section will cover the feedback. Okay, so let's start with the heading. I'll write 2 days online computer workshop. Okay, in description you can write the name of your institute. Now start adding the question. I'll write my first question as full name, and I'll make this question mandatory by clicking on this required button. Adding second question, email ID, again marking it mandatory. Third question, contact number, mark this question as mandatory. Then institute name, this is also the required field. Then city, mark this question as mandatory also. Adding next question as state, mark this question as mandatory. Next question is qualification. Okay, so this is all about the questions from the section 1. You can delete this unwanted question also. And this is the required field. So this is all about the section 1. Now click on this add section and the section 2 will appear. Okay, so write here the heading of second section, that is the quiz. Okay, now start adding the quiz question. So I have written this question for the sample for your reference. Just adding the question. First question is full form of HDD, which is of multiple choice question type. Okay, so I'll write the option. First option is hard disk drive. Then I add second option as heavy disk drive. third option hard device drive, and fourth option is heavy device drive. Okay, this is all about the option. Now add the answer key. So the correct answer is hard disk drive, and for the correct answer user will get 2 points. Okay, so I'll make this question of 2 marks. Now click on done button, add another question. Second question is true or false. So just copy paste this question. Now write true in option, add another option as false. This is of true or false type. Adding answer key as true, and again making this question of 2 marks, 2 points. Add third question as the short answer type. Who is the father of computer? Adding the answer key, Charles Babbage. Okay, for 2 points, click on done. Adding next question. Next question is tick all the input devices. So this is of which type? This is of checkbox type. Click on checkbox. Writing the option for checkbox. First option is keyboard. Second is mouse. Third is printer. And fourth is joystick. Okay. Again, adding answer key as keyboard, mouse, and joystick, and will provide 2 points for this correct answer. Click on done. Adding the last question. This is all the sample quiz question I have created just for your reference. This is also of option type. So write the options for this answer. Second is read access memory. Third is random active memory, and last option is read active memory. Okay, this is the all 4 option. Now add answer key as random access memory, and again make 2 points for this correct answer. Click on done. So this is all about the section 2. Now again adding on this section and write feedback. Okay, so if we want feedback of our workshop in the scale of 1 to 5, okay, so we have to put this again, add question and write feedback. And in question type, we have to select the linear scale. On the scale of 1 to 5, I write 1 is for bad and 5 is for excellent. Okay, now after adding all these sections, all the questions, quiz, all the necessary details you want to collect from the participant, just click on the send button on the top. Okay, so after clicking on the send button, you can send via email, via link. Okay, I am just opting the email option. I have to write email ID of the participant, and the subject will appear automatically, and click on this send button. Okay, so this is all regarding the view from the organizer. Now let's take a view from the participant side. So as a participant will open mail ID and will receive a mail from the organizer like this: 2 days online computer workshop. Participant will click here and click on this fill out form. So as a participant, I am filling this form. So you can see here that this all the fields are marked as mandatory. Okay, so start filling this form as in participant. Then institute name, city, then I write state, then I write graduate. Okay, then after filling the necessary detail which was marked as mandatory, the participant will click on this next button. Now the participant will see the quiz like this, like as an organizer we have added question along with all the option. Now as a participant I am writing the answers for the quiz, so I'll attempting the quiz. First answer I'll attempt it as hard disk drive, then second is true, then I'll write, if I don't know the answer for the reference I'm just opting the wrong answer. Then this is the answer for fourth question and I'm again marking this question as wrong, okay, just for the reference. Then again after filling the section 2, click on next button and the participant will give the feedback of our workshop. Okay, I'll mark it excellent and click on submit button. So after clicking the submit button, the user will see your response has been recorded, right? So this can be viewed from the organizer side. And if if the participant want to see score, can click here in this view score, and you can see here the participant got 6 out of 10, and this sample form contain all the necessary detail which was filled by the participant. Okay, this is all about the form that was filled by the participant. Now again coming back to the organizer side. Okay, you can see here the response tab, click on this. So till now we have just received one response, that's why here showing 1. And if you want to see all the answer and information of the participant in the form of an Excel sheet, just click on this spreadsheet button and a spreadsheet will be created containing information of participant as well as answer of the participant as well as score of the participant. Okay, so you can see here this top portion contain the questions, the score and the details, and this contain the timestamp at which time the participant had filled the form along with the score and all the necessary details. So this is all about the creation of quiz or questionnaire through the Google form. Okay, thank you.